So I've had a turbo for my car for about 6 months and a shifter assembly for going on a couple weeks, maybe a month now. And I just haven't had time to do it. And when I do have time to do it, I'm like, I'm good. I'm just going to chill. But today I didn't have much going on. I decided that I'm going to go ahead and replace it. I was having issues with my car with pretty bad smoking under heavy acceleration. I did a compression test, a leak down test on it. Everything looked good. I went ahead and pulled off an intercooler pipe, a tube, and found a bunch of oil inside of there. Pulled off the down pipe, found oil on the back of the turbo. So I'm almost positive the turbo's going out. But I also found this weird non-factory hose here on the PCV valve. So I bought a new PCV valve as well while I'm in there. I'm just going to replace it all. And hopefully that fixes my issue. Replacing the turbo, and I reset my learned values, everything, and unfortunately it did not fix it. I mean, it ran really good for a little bit. My timing went back up to full timing. My fuel ratio was good. Everything was fine, but then after it started learning and everything, no good. It started smoking again. My timing dropped back down to like 0.325. I think at this point it's probably going to need an engine, unfortunately. It's probably bad, like oil rings on the piston, something of that sort. The ring lands, common on these Subarus. But that just means I get to build it. But yeah, check it out. I'm going to rev it a little bit, you'll see. It smokes up. But it definitely smells. Who knows? Could be a mistune. But turbo didn't fix it. But I'll tell you this: the turbo did fix. It wasn't driving right. It had some weird lag. It had something going on, and the turbo was making noises. So either way, the turbo had to go. I put the new one in there. It's very responsive. Everything feels good, but it's still smoking, which is my main issue. So no good. But